Now we're going to show you this protocol very shortly, but I'll run you through the instructions before we do. So we're making a smoothie, basically, with the following ingredients. We've got the juice of a whole lemon. That's the whole lemon, not just a bit of it. And some people even actually juice the whole lemon, rind and all. That contains some quite interesting essential oils in the rind that could also be useful. It's a bit intense, but can be done. Otherwise, just squeeze it out on a citrus squeezer. Half a pint, which is about 1/4 of a litre, of fresh pressed organic apple juice. Let's get any toxin chemicals in there. Let's use organic and let's have it fresh, because as soon as you press apple, it will start to oxidize. We want to get that apple as fresh as it can be. You can use vegetable juice if you prefer, but the advantage of using apple juice is the pectin content, which actually helps with the drawing of toxins out of the liver. But you could use carrot, you could use green juices, celery, beetroot's particularly good for cleansing the liver if you don't want to use the apple. You need a tablespoonful of cold pressed, again organic, cold pressed olive oil, 1 clove of garlic, bigger the better. You need to be a little bit careful with the garlic. Some people can have bad reactions to that. If you are sensitive to garlic, start with much smaller quantities. Small piece of fresh grated ginger, and then if you're really feeling hardcore, you can have a pinch of powder of cayenne pepper. That's contraindicated for some people if they're a little bit overstimulated, if a little bit of stress in the picture, it might sort of make things worse. But if things are sluggish, for example, if circulation is sluggish, it can be brilliant. Okay, so there's your recipe, and you would mix that up in like a NutriBullet, or other blenders are available, something like that, a jug blender of some kind. So we drink our smoothie, and then we start making up the second part of the liver flush, which is our detox tea. Any or all of the following herbs, okay? I'm not going to list them all, you can see them up in front of you. And the rule here is use more of the roots and leaves, things like yellow dot, nettle, red clover, dandelion, and less of the spices like fennel seeds, citrus peel, ginger root, juniper berries, etc. So it's about a 2-in-1 ratio there. So for every, burdock root, yellow dot root, nettle, dandelion, etc. should be 2 parts, and the other thing is just 1. That'll be a good ballpark if you want to mix this up. Does, of course, involve getting a lot of these herbs as singles. There are some places that will mix up detox teas. They're not all identical to that. Many of them will work extremely well. What you could also do is you could go back to a demonstration of making an infusion, which we did in lecture number 3, teaching you how to actually make an effective medicinal blood cleansing tea. You could do that as well. The advantage of using the roots, the burdock, the yellow dot, the dandelion, is that they have very deep cleansing properties. So if we can, we want to use these, and we need to decoct them. In other words, we put the herbs into a pan, maybe like a tablespoon of the herbs into a pan. We add about a pint of water, perhaps a little bit more actually. Bring it to a boil, simmer for 10 minutes with the lid on, and then strain it, strain the liquid out, and drink 2 mugs of this at least. And I say mugs, like big ones, half pints if you like. Now, how do you get 2 mugs when you've only put a pint in there and the herbs have absorbed some of it? What you do is you strain the herbs off, put the herbs back in the pan, add another pint of water, and do the whole thing over again. By that time, you've pretty much got enough of this tea. So you drink nothing but this tea for the next 2 hours. You do not eat anything. This must be done first thing in the morning, before you've had breakfast. It must be pretty much the first thing that passes your lips. And morning, by the way, is the best time to do our detoxing. People say to me, oh, can't I do it when I get home from work? Who wants to detox when you get home from work? For me, that doesn't work, and actually your body's closing down at that time. It's going to sleep. You start doing detoxing at that time of night, you're going to get your liver waking up at 1 o'clock in the morning going, ouch. So if you do it in the morning, you're working with nature. Nature is naturally discharging its toxins first thing in the morning. Most of us experience that. We go to the bathroom, we have a bowel motion, etc. So you're drinking 2 mugs of this tea over a 2-hour period, after which you can eat something light and, of course, healthy.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe below so you don't miss any future content. To learn more about CNM or its courses, head to www.naturopathy-uk.com.